Why is data cleaning and preprocessing important? Imagine you are a great chef with the best kitchen tools and high-quality knives, but some of the ingredients you bought are no longer fresh. If an ingredient is bad, your dish won't turn out well, no matter how good a cook you are or how expensive your tools are. The same thing happens when you create visualizations, statistical models, or machine learning models. Without clean and well-prepared data, even the most advanced model can give wrong, confusing, or completely useless results. This can have serious consequences, including reports may not be reliable. The generated information may be used in another analysis step, causing even bigger errors. The company may lose money by making strategic decisions based on results from badly prepared data. And it could even face legal problems, for example, when reporting company earnings. On the other hand, when data is clean, models and analysis can learn real patterns without being affected by errors, outliers, or missing values. This reduces wrong predictions and improves the accuracy and validity of results. Duplicated, inconsistent, or badly coded data can lead to wrong conclusions. By cleaning it, you reduce the chance of systematic errors or bias that could affect decision-making. Removing irrelevant columns, normalizing values, or transforming variables allows algorithms to work faster and with fewer resources. This improves performance, especially with large datasets. Many machine learning and visualization techniques need data in specific formats. Preprocessing ensures the data is ready to use without errors. Once the data is clean and structured, it's much easier to create useful charts that communicate the right message. This improves visual interpretation and helps share insights with non-technical people.